Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your dataset and configuration so training is effective. First, gather 500 to 5,000 consistent images resized to 512 times 512. You want variety but quality. Next, write accurate captions and negative prompts in a JSON or CSV file so the model learns associations. Then pick a pre-trained Stable Diffusion checkpoint and set hyperparameters. Learning rate around 1E5 to 5E5 and a batch size of 1 to 8. Once done, confirm file paths and GPU availability before launching. You now start the training loop and actively monitor progress to catch issues early. Launch the chosen method, Dream Booth or Low Array, supplying the checkpoint, data directory, and config flags. Enable FP16 mixed precision to save memory. Use gradient accumulation when batch size is limited and set checkpoint saves every few hundred or thousand steps. While training runs, inspect loss curves, sample generations, and validation images so you can adjust learning rate or dataset balance. Make incremental changes and resume training if needed. You finish by exporting the final checkpoint or low array weights and validating them with representative prompts. Run a battery of samples to ensure the model captures desired features. If results are weak, perform short fine-tuning passes or a 1 to 3 epoch sweep. For common issues, if you see hallucinations or repeating artifacts, lower the learning rate and add more negative prompts. If overfitting occurs, increase dataset diversity or use regularization. One key tip: when stuck, test on a small reproducible case to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.